market. It was built by the Britishers over 200 years ago, and it is one of the most oldest markets of Kolkata, also known as Hawks Market. By the way, bargaining is a must here. So guys, it's early morning and the people are setting up their shops now. So the place where I'm standing, they are selling toys for children. So you can see there are a lot of varieties of toys, different kinds of toys, cars, dolls and whatnot. So you can see the varieties of toys that they have here, and this is pretty good, I think. Guys, check out the collection of bags over here. So many different kind of bags. Small bags, big bags, bags of different sizes which you can wear with different type of clothes. And there are some traditional bags also, the potlis, which is again very famous nowadays. So yeah, let's see. वो शिमरी वाला, ये वाला, इसके बाजू वाला पिंक वाला, ये इसे 200. वो लोग जितना है और कौन सा अरे सर देने पड़ेगा 150 ना नहीं अच्छा लगा इसलिए अरे ये Guys, the varieties of earrings from oxidized, gold plated to Meenakari work, different kind of earrings of different type of colors are present there, and also different kind of bangles. So these are the fiber bangles which will never break. ये येलो कलर का रिंग्स में और ये शेल वाला दिखाओ ना मुझे. ये व्हाइट कलर का जो शेल है इसका प्राइस क्या है? ये वाली 100. कितना 100 और ये सब का प्राइस सब अलग अलग है क्या? सब अलग अलग है. ये 250 की, 200 की, ये सब 100 और 150 में कौन सा है? 150 आपका देखिए, ये 150, ये 150, ये वाला 150, ये वाला 250, ये वाला 350. और ये ब्लैक कलर में जो है ब्लैक 150 का, ये भी आएगा 150 का, ये आएगा 100 का. नीचे वाला ये वाला 150 और ये वाला 150. आप बताया जरो रखा यहाँ लिखा था कौन वाला जूता. So I have spotted a place where there is a shop selling party wears, and those outfits are pretty awesome. So I'm going to now go and check out the rates. ले बेटा भैया ये सीक्वेंस वर्क का ड्रेस कितने का है? 50 का है. और ये वाला सेम प्राइस का. ऊपर छोटा वाला 750 का. कितना? 750. ये 750 और ये 850. ये कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं बोल रहे तो कम हो जाएगा. कौन सा लेना है? फिक्स प्राइस थोड़ी ना. ये पिंक कलर का फ्लोरल वाला बगल वाला वो 500 का है. 500. ये सब लंबे ड्रेसेस ये सब 600. देखिए डेनिम का जो है वो कितने का? वही 400 450 का. ये 500. ये 500.
You can also buy makeup products of different kinds if you prefer, but better not to buy from these local markets only for the makeup part, but then rest like clothes and everything you may go for it.
So guys, these are for 150 rupees, which is amazing. और ये फैब्रिक है सिंथेटिक, एक ही चाहिए।
140 दे लीजिए।
नहीं, 10 रुपये का क्या है ये?
130 दे दीजिए, ठीक है?
वो बताओ।
पहन के देखिए, पहन के दीजिए।
ये ब्लैक वाला लेंथ। So guys, there are so many Bengali friends of mine who comes and shops from here because you know this place is so nice. सब कुछ जो चीज़ आप देख रहे हो यहाँ पे they are very long lasting and of different kind of varieties, and shopping and bargaining, these are the two things that women can't live without, right? So just let's go and enjoy. And this is the new market, and this is the Hawks market that you can see beside it. Guys, there are so many different color of bangles and I am loving it because it's very colorful. দূর থেকে দেখে আমার খুবই ভালো লাগছিল, সো আমি তাড়াতাড়ি এখানে চলে এসেছি বিকজ again the colors are so pretty. সব রকম কালার এখানে আছে and I love চুড়িস. So let's see. I love this yellow color, so bright and yellow, so I am taking this, I am buying this. I loved it so much, so I'm taking it. Guys, here we can see jutis just for ₹100. So it's going sale over here, so I'm loving it, so I'm going to buy one of it. ये सब 100 का है?
कोई भी लो 100, आज सेल लगा दी खत्म।
ये वाला दिखाना है, रेड कलर, रेड के ऊपर नीडल का, ये वाला।
ये बोझा बोझा
और ये जो मिरर बर्ड है ना, मिरर बर्ड
क्या बात है?
आपका ही चाहिए।
ये वाला साइज ठीक।
कर थोड़ा
Then there are slippers of different colors. So these are slippers for ordinary use. You can use them because these are very comfortable, and also various, different varieties are present there which you can buy.
get this net ones, you can get this Banarasi ones. There are so many of different colors. So it's amazing. So guys, I'm buying these two dupattas. The green one is for me and this is for my sister. दोनों मुझे बहुत मस्त लगा and there is kind of mirror work going on and it is full net and also it's quite cheap, so I'm buying this.
The dupatta collection is wow again. It starts from just rupees 100 bucks and follows to 300 as well, depending on the work. But you know, the different kinds of and the work on the dupattas, those are really commendable. You may also try and buy different kind of sunglasses from there that starts at just rupees 100 bucks. You can see the variation of colors like pink, green, red, whatnot, and also the styles of the sunglasses like the dabang style and also the slim fit ones and also those for the ordinary ones. So yeah, different kind of sunglasses which are pretty good. There are also so many kinds of soft toys for your kids, also various kind of teddy bears and all that kind of things, which starts from just rupees 100 depending upon the size and everything. And the price, this monkey, the moment I saw this, I kind of liked it and I decided to buy it. The shopkeeper first said that he's going to charge me rupees 600 for this, but then we bargained and he gave me this at rupees 450 rupees only, and I am very happy with it.
So guys, shopping at New Market was really very exciting. I bought so many things. I bought churis, I bought the juti, dress and whatnot. Also I bought earrings. By the way, it was really fun and all the collections is super amazing. क्या कुछ नहीं है यहाँ पे. And so I'm very tired now, so I'm going to end this video with this final cup of tea. So Kolkata की चाय मस्त है. Bye.